I woke up this morning knowing today was not just an ordinary day. You, just how you are, nothing to hide, standing by my side. And now I'm sure my heart is yours. I love you always. This is our wedding day.
I've always dreamed of being whisked off my feet by a handsome, rum-drinking, bearded pirate. You're the most amazing person I've ever met in my life. I am so glad that you introduced me to your daughter, and I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my life showing you and her how much I care and respect and love you guys. There's so much more I want to say, but I can't remember, so I love you so much. I want to make you so happy.
I thought the best day of my life was the day that you invited me into yours, but really it's been every day since then. You inspire me every day with your beauty and your intelligence and the love that you give other people and the way you brought Ella and me into your life. And I just love you so much, and I promise to love you forever. No matter what trials we encounter,
or how much time has passed,
I
know that our love will never fade.
I know that our love will never fade.
That we will always find strength in one another.
That we will always find strength in one another.
And that we will continue to grow side by side.
And that we will continue to grow side by side.
I believe in the truth of what we are.
I believe in the truth of what we are.
And I love you always.
And I love you always.
With every beat of my heart.
With every beat of my heart.
We waited for this, making our plans, wanting this love to never end. And it's just now beginning what it will be. I can't wait to see. And now I'm sure my heart is yours. I love you always. This is our wedding day. All of the things we had hoped, all of the people we love most, all in the same room, all at the same time. It's all I can do to keep from crying. All I can say is I love you always. And now I'm sure my heart is yours. I love you always. This is our wedding day. And now I'm sure my heart is yours. I love you always. This is our wedding day.